Hey, welcome back. I'm Josh from Meadows Mirth Farm. This week's recipe from the farm, it's parsnip season, spring dug parsnips, the sweetest parsnips you can get. I'm going to be making a Thai parsnip soup with a rutabaga lardon. It's very simple to make and it's so flavorful. Check it out. Alright, so I've got some spring dug parsnips, which are the sweetest. Not peeling them, just cutting them into nice even chunks. I'm going to boil it, so I'm not really stressing too much about how the parsnips look. Gonna cut up a couple onions. Again, just nice even pieces. You'll saute them, so I want to make sure they cook relatively at the same rate, but it's all going to get pureed, so no stress. Then the onions are going to go into a pot, a little saute, some olive oil, and I'm not going to let them really color, just get translucent. I don't want to make the soup darker. And then I'm going to add my spice mix. You can check out my website for that. And wake those spices up for about 30 seconds or so. Then I'm going to add the parsnips, and I'm going to add a bunch of water just to cover the parsnips. I don't want too much because I'm going to add coconut milk later. I'm going to bring that to a boil and reduce it to simmer for about 40 minutes, maybe 30. And then when those are tender, I'm going to puree those up. I'm going to add my coconut milk. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's so beautiful. And then I'm going to taste it. Taste, taste, taste. Add some salt. I add some salt. You need a little more salt. And then puree that up, and then that soup is pretty much done. Now for the lardons, I'm using a rutabaga or a gill feather turnip, which is also a rutabaga. I'm going to cut it into batons. I fried these. You could roast them. It works really well roasted as well. Cut them in nice like little matchsticks. I'm frying them. You could roast them. Then I'm going to toss them with some soy sauce and some rice wine vinegar. And there you go. Alright, our curried soup is done. We'll put a few lardons on top. It smells amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh, the spice, the sweetness from the parsnips. That's really, really delicious. Try this one out. Wow. So until, that's good. So until next time, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good.